May papakita kami sa inyo na pinapamana ng Canadian friend ni Louie Boy, ni Daddy Lou Vlogs. Oh my God, he's here! Welcome to our channel, guys. Linggo ngayon dito sa amin at grabe ang init. Pag lumamig, grabe ang lamig. Pag uminit, grabe naman ang init. Ngayon, productive ang araw natin dahil natapos natin yung paglilinis ng sasakyan. Ready for na sa Wednesday sa class 5 driving natin. So sana pumasa, no? So ngayon, dahil productive and blessed day, meron tayong magtutor tayo, guys. May papakita kami sa inyo na pinapamana ng Canadian friend ni Louie Boy, ni Daddy Lou Vlogs. Charan! RV. Oh, di ba? Pinapamana. Ganoon talaga pag mga mabuting tao pinapamanahan. Joke. So, kahapon medyo madumi pero yung matanda malinis naman. Matanda na may-ari nito, guys, pero nilinis nitong mga tatlong lalaki, kasama na siguro si Daddy Lou Vlogs. Wala tayo kanina dito dahil may kanya-kanya tayong ginagawa. So check natin, i-tour natin, guys. Tutor ko kayo. Let's go. Oh, you're not done? Oh, may nag-complain doon.
The tubig sira.
Oh, nasira daw yung tubig. That's okay, my love. Welcome to our RV camper. Ano din, naka-attach yung pinto. So, ito yung unang pinto, tapos may screen. Ayan siya, may screen. So, bubuksan natin ngayon yan. Ayan. So, hagdanan. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa pinto. Ngayon, umaakyat na tayo. So, ang unang may kita natin ay
It was like
yan si Daddy Lou Vlogs.
and then all the lights were
Pinapamanahan. Oh.
Hello.
It like turned off and then it turned on again. Yeah, on its own.
At dito, meron ditong Spring Valley. Yan, oh.
And then all the lights flipped.
Tapos exit.
And then we closed it. We did close it. I don't
Hindi
know.
marunong mag-tour,
Sure,
guys,
I'm
eh.
scared.
At dito yung driver seat. Yan, driver seat, Daddy Lou Vlogs syempre dyan. At may mga kortina. Yan, may mga pintuan dyan. May pinto din siya. Syempre first time. Nag-move nga. Oh. Yan. Yan siya. Yan yung harap. At merong, ay may radyo siya, ne?
Yeah.
Ganon. May radyo. Kailangan radyo.
I don't know.
For emergency o ano. Yan yung ganyan ang position. At syempre sa Reyna, nandito. Upuan ng Reyna yan. At may electric fan. Malinis, guys. Imagine, 1990s na camper, guys. Tingnan mo naman kung paano siya mag-maintain. Cleanliness, tsaka yung di ba? Matino pa. Imagine yung matanda, guys. So, kailangan ingatan din natin. So, pull to raise or lower. Ano daw yan? Push to rotate.
Ano yan? Antena sa taas yan.
Antena daw yan sa taas. So, meron siya dito mga cabinet. Ayan, daming storage to eh.
Yeah, there's
Mas
just
marami pang storage to sa bahay namin. Bahay namin wala masyadong storage. Fasten your seatbelt.
It's like a bus.
Yeah. Then may siguro kapihan. Ano to? What's this? Desk? Oh, social. Oh,
But you have to keep it holding up like this.
walang handle? Ano yan naman, na-adjust yun sa ilalim. Na-adjust yun, anak. O, yun pala. May leg pala eh. Para sa passenger, ayan, meron
Ouch.
siyang meron ditong yan. Pwede siyang upuan, pwede din siyang tulugan. So, tinulugan na nila to kagabi.
Oh yeah, there's a bus.
Another, ito aircon? Aircon?
Yeah.
Aircon and heater. Oo. And then, may lights dyan. Storage
Hey, we
dito
got
sa
speakers.
driver. Dito sa driver, oh, ba? Dami storage.
You can connect.
Speaker. And then storage again. Daming storage, oh. Lights. Daming storage, no? Yan. Para sa, curtain. Ito, para saan kaya yan? Di natin alam yan, guys.
That's
Para...
coins in there.
lagayan ng coins?
No, coins are right there.
Sa
I
mga,
got the last one.
sa mga spices yata yan. Kasi dito, charan!
Oh yeah, we have
Meron
the
tayo
kitchen.
ditong blind. Then, bintana, maliit. Tapos, merong double sinks.
This can turn into
So,
camera.
dito, burner.
Vacuum, like the exhaust thing when you're cooking.
Exhaust fan.
You could turn on the lights here.
Oh, may lights din.
Then you could turn off here.
Okay. We have here, oh wow.
It's a microwave.
Microwave. Yeah, microwave. Then, lagayan ng mga, ito, paper towel. Tapos,
Our
mga,
paper towel's right here. See?
oh, nandyan ang paper towel. Oh, okay. The burner
Si
dito.
Kuya Prince. Ooh.
And then, then dito, ay! Dali dito.
We got a mini oven.
Mini oven, guys. So, see? Ang cute pala pag camper, no? Mga maliliit. Then, another cabinets, mga storage.
Oh, what's that? What's that?
I don't know, what's that? Then, dito, lagayan ng, ano ba to?
That's for tissue, like garbage.
Garbage ba yan?
Yeah.
Hindi yan dishwasher?
No.
Oh,
Kaya mga toyo yan.
okay.
Mommy.
Ano to?
May storage.
Sa likod ng lutuan, meron ditong table. Tapos pwede siyang matanggal. Pwede siyang, natatanggal siya, nak, di ba?
Yeah.
And then dito si Grayson kagabi natulog.
Yeah, I slept over there.
And then, dito storage again. Then blinds and windows.
I slept. Yeah, Kuya Prince slept over here, guys.
Tapos meron ditong
Picture.
frame.
Oh yeah, that's a
Nature. Mahilig pala yung matanda sa nature, guys. Kaya pala itong adjustment sa thermostat. Let's go to the master bedroom. Oh no, not yet. Meron pa tayo ditong ref. Could you imagine?
It works. It works too.
Ooh,
That's why I put-
malamig.
That's where I put my
Walang
pizza.
laman. Meron ditong medicine cabinet yata to.
Yeah.
Toilet paper, lagayan. Then, gusto nyo ng privacy. Or mag-honeymoon, may honeymoon kayo. Or magbibihis. Ayan, meron dyan. Ang ganda, no? May saraduhan. Are you happy, Gerson? Do you have it? Yeah. Are you having it?
Wala pa.
Oh, meron!
Little bit.
Ooh, then washroom. Charan!
It's running water.
Meron pressure na. You have sink.
A little bit of pressure now.
May hilamusan. Tapos dito tayo sa washroom, guys. Toilet and washroom. So yan, meron dito, yan. Aha, yan. Lilinisin ko pa yan.
Total clean.
Don't worry, but still clean for 1990s na camper. Kunting linis lang yan at kuskus o shower. Shower. Yan.
Hey, don't do that.
Not bad, di ba? Pinamana lang naman sa iyo yan. Magkano lang. Nagbigay si Daddy Lou, pero magkano lang naman yan, di ba? Siyempre.
That's what it sounded like back then.
So, master bedroom.
But like, look.
What are you doing there?
They're fixing the water.
Oh, what?
That's where the generator is, I think.
No, that's where the
That's the
water
bedroom,
comes.
So, another salamin.
Ay, look,
Then, may mga cups, lagayan ng mga dyan. Ayan. Medicine cabinet yata yan.
Now you know why I couldn't sleep last night, hey?
Lagayan ng damit. Oh. Pwede na sila mag-evacuate dito, guys.
And then more storage.
And more storage. Oh, another storage.
There's a
Oh,
thing.
diba? Buti pa here. Oh, merong free pa, guys. Pangsapi ng ng kama. Malupit. Oh, tapos dito may fan. Yan. Fan, control, aircon, control, and yeah. Lights, more Storage, yan. May side table. Tapos naka-blind with curtains.
There's also speakers on
Exit? What's that way? It says exit. Is that door?
If that door, something happened to that door.
Emergency exit?
Yeah, look, you have you pull this, and then you do
I
that,
see.
and then, but it's a really big drop.
Okay, big drop.
Yeah, look.
Oh, you're gonna bounce there if you jump in.
There's speakers under here.
Oh yeah, there's also a speaker. Kung mahilig kayo sa sound, sound strip. Tapos lagayan, patungan. Another salamin. Diba? Diba?
I'm not going anywhere if it's not.
Malakas ang aircon, malakas ang heater.
Look, we got the fan. Right, Kuya Buns?
Oh.
Kuya Buns, look. This was here since yesterday, right? That. And you can control the speed here.
Okay.
And there's an exhaust if Daddy and you fart.
If you fart.
Maganda to dahil parang pamana lang sa atin to. So once in a lifetime naman tayo magkaroon ng ganito. Home, tawag nila ito motor home. So nice, guys. So watch out kayo at stay tuned kayo. Baka pagka nagkaroon ng long weekend, so siguro pumunta tayo. Hilahin natin yung bangka. Tsaka ito.
Ito na yung bahay natin. Mga boys. So, bye for now, guys.
not
That's
know how to
it
smile.
for
Yeah.
today. Our
I
vlog.
look weird.
Camper
I
tour.
smile.
I smell like this.
So, bye guys, subscribe and don't forget to share and comment down below kung okay ba siya, kung anong masasabi nyo sa 1990s na camper na pamana sa ating Canadian friend. So bye for now, guys. Yeah,
Ow.
kids.
Pardon? Hi. Bye, Amen. Did it?
That guy.
Hello.
Hi. Pa yan takot sa
I
camera.
really think anyone can save me.
Na,
And
babay na,
honestly, I'm
guys.
not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything. So I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.